Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 2 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about careers this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today's career topic is one that connects bank, payment, tax. We're talking about the career of financial lawyer.
Hello. I'm Natalie. Very happy to be here again, Mr. Sam. And wow, today's topic sounds serious. Financial lawyer.
Serious, yes, but also fascinating and maybe a little controversial.
Oh, definitely controversial. The moment you say financial lawyer, people imagine money, power, banks, and trouble.
That reaction alone tells us why this is a great topic to unpack. So today, we're going to learn about the financial lawyer, what they do, why they matter, and why people often argue about their role in society.
And argue we will, because I already disagree with you on at least 3 things, and we haven't even started.
Perfect. Let's begin with the basics for our intermediate listeners. Natalie, how would you define a financial lawyer?
All right. A financial lawyer is a legal professional who specializes in laws related to money and finance, banking, investments, securities, insurance, financial regulations, taxes, and sometimes corporate finance.
Exactly. They work where law and money intersect, and that intersection is powerful.
Powerful and risky. That's my issue. Financial lawyers often operate behind the scenes, but their decisions can affect markets, businesses, and even entire economies.
True, but that's also why they're essential. Without financial lawyers, financial systems would be unstable and unregulated.
I get that, but let me throw out my first argument. Financial lawyers often protect institutions more than people.
Straight to the heart of it. I disagree, but I understand why you'd think that.
Think about it. Who hires financial lawyers the most? Banks, corporations, investment firms. Not everyday people struggling with loans or debt.
That's mostly true, but that doesn't mean financial lawyers are anti-people. Many work in compliance, regulation, or public service.
But the majority work in private practice, defending financial interests of powerful clients.
Let me respond to that carefully. Financial lawyers don't just defend interests, they help ensure rules are followed.
Do they? Or do they help find legal ways around the rules?
Oof, fair question. But finding loopholes isn't always the goal. Often they interpret complex laws that even governments struggle to explain clearly.
That complexity itself is a problem, though. If only experts can understand financial law, doesn't that exclude most people?
Yes, financial law is complex. But complexity comes from trying to manage risk, fairness, and stability in a system involving trillions of dollars.
Okay, let's step back. What does a financial lawyer actually do on a normal day? No drama, just reality.
Great question. Most days involve reading contracts, reviewing financial transactions, advising clients on regulations, and assessing legal risks.
Lots of paperwork.
Endless paperwork. They might review loan agreements, investment structures, or merger documents.
And they also make sure companies comply with financial laws, like anti-money laundering rules or consumer protection laws.
Exactly. When done properly, that protects society.
But when done poorly or unethically, it can protect harmful behavior. That's where my concern lies.
Ethics is a huge part of this profession. A financial lawyer faces ethical decisions regularly. Just because something is legal, should it be done?
And the answer isn't always obvious.
No, it isn't. And that's why financial lawyers need strong moral judgment, not just legal knowledge.
Let's talk about education and skills, because many listeners might be considering this career.
Absolutely. First, you need a law degree. After that, specialization in financial, banking, or corporate law is common.
And you need to be comfortable with numbers. Not advanced math necessarily, but financial concepts.
Yes, you should understand balance sheets, investments, interest rates, and financial risk.
Also, attention to detail. One small mistake in a financial contract can cost millions.
No pressure.
Exactly. Stress is part of the job. Long hours, deadlines, and high responsibility.
But also high impact. A good financial lawyer can prevent financial crises, protect investors, and promote transparency.
That's the ideal version, but reality sometimes looks different.
Let's talk about financial crises, actually. During global financial crises, financial lawyers play a crucial role in investigations and reforms.
Yes, and many people ask, where were they before the crisis?
Some warned about risks, others didn't. Financial law evolves after failures.
Which means mistakes affect millions before lessons are learned.
Sadly, yes. But that's true in many fields: medicine, engineering, even technology.
Fair point.
Now let's discuss career paths. Not all financial lawyers work for banks.
Some work for governments, central banks, or regulatory agencies.
Some work for international organizations dealing with global finance.
And some work for nonprofits, focusing on financial inclusion or consumer protection.
So the career is broader than people assume.
I agree, but perception matters. Many people see financial lawyers as part of an elite system.
That perception exists for a reason. The profession often operates at the top levels of power.
Which makes accountability even more important.
Absolutely. Financial lawyers influence how money flows, and money shapes opportunity.
That's a heavy responsibility.
It is. That's why this career isn't just about income or prestige.
Speaking of income, yes, financial lawyers are often well paid.
Very well paid. Let's not pretend otherwise.
And that can attract people for the wrong reasons.
True, but high pay also reflects high responsibility and risk.
Still, I'd tell listeners, don't choose this path only for money.
I completely agree. Burnout is real in this field.
Let's do a quick debate round. I'll make a statement, you respond.
All right, I'm ready.
Financial lawyers increase inequality.
They can, but they can also reduce it through fair regulation and enforcement.
Financial lawyers hide unethical behavior behind legality.
Some do. Ethical ones push back and advise against risky or harmful actions.
Financial law is too complex for ordinary people.
Yes, and that's why financial lawyers must communicate clearly and responsibly.
Okay, not bad.
Thank you. Let's talk about personal qualities. Who should become a financial lawyer?
Someone curious, disciplined, analytical, and patient.
And someone comfortable with pressure and ethical ambiguity.
Yes, you won't always have clear right or wrong answers.
That can be emotionally challenging.
Very, but also intellectually rewarding.
So, would you become a financial lawyer?
If I loved complex systems and responsibility, maybe, but I enjoy talking too much.
Same here. Before we wrap up, let's give listeners balanced advice.
Yes, financial law is powerful, challenging, and influential, but not for everyone.
It requires integrity, constant learning, and resilience.
And a willingness to question your own actions, not just defend them.
That self-reflection is key.
Okay. I started this episode very critical. I still have concerns, but I also see the value financial lawyers bring.
That's the goal of this podcast, not to sell careers, but to understand them honestly.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, that concludes our deep discussion on learning about the financial lawyer, the debates, the responsibilities, and the realities.
Thanks for listening, and remember, your career choice reflects not just what you do, but what you stand for.
Join us next time as we explore another exciting career on the SAM Podcast.